The human brain is an incredible organ with endless potential, yet most of us never come close to using it at its full capacity. From concentration techniques to lifestyle hacks, the science of neuroplasticity shows us that we can actually train our brains to work better, faster, and more efficiently. Stay till the end for the most powerful brain training technique that top performers swear by. And if you're committed to unlocking your mental potential, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more science-backed success tips. Let's explore the top 10 ways to train your brain for success. 10. Meditation and mindfulness. In today's world, focus is rare, but meditation can help. Just 10 minutes a day can boost brain structure, improving learning, memory, and emotional control. Long-term meditators show stronger brain connectivity, leading to better decision-making, cognitive performance, and resilience. Companies like Google and Apple have embraced mindfulness for these benefits. 9. Strategic sleep. Sleep is your brain's optimization tool. During deep sleep, it clears toxins, while REM sleep strengthens memories, sparks creativity, and processes emotions. Studies show skills practiced before sleep are mastered 20 to 30% faster. Even mild sleep deprivation hurts decision-making, without you realizing, creating risks for busy professionals. 8. Intermittent fasting. This eating pattern does more than just burn fat. It triggers a process called autophagy, where your brain cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Research from the National Institute on Aging found that intermittent fasting increases production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that acts like fertilizer for brain cells, enhancing learning and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. The most surprising effect is how fasting improves neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Many Silicon Valley executives and top performers practice 16 to 8 fasting, eating within an 8-hour window, specifically for the mental clarity and cognitive enhancement it provides. The brain actually functions more efficiently with occasional caloric restriction, a throwback to our evolutionary past when heightened cognition during food scarcity helped survival. 7. Cognitive challenge learning. The brain thrives on challenge and novelty. Learning new skills, like a language or instrument, creates new neural pathways and strengthens existing ones. Neuroplasticity shows your brain adapts throughout life. Activities like dancing, which engage multiple brain regions, are especially effective. Continuous learning reduces cognitive decline with age, and top professionals spend at least 5 hours weekly on new skills, boosting problem-solving abilities. 6. Physical exercise. What's good for the heart is great for the brain. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering vital oxygen and nutrients, while stimulating the production of growth factors that enhance neural connections. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, shows particular promise, with studies demonstrating a 30% increase in production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor compared to steady-state cardio. The cognitive benefits appear quickly. Just 20 minutes of moderate exercise improves information processing and memory functions for up to 2 hours afterward. Perhaps most surprisingly, coordination exercises that challenge balance and spatial awareness, like tennis or dance, may be even more beneficial than pure cardio for cognitive enhancement, as they engage multiple brain systems simultaneously. 5. Nutrition for neurogenesis. Certain foods literally fuel brain cell creation through a process called neurogenesis. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish rebuild brain cell membranes, while flavonoids in berries and dark chocolate protect neurons from inflammation and oxidative stress. The Mediterranean diet, rich in these brain-boosting compounds, has been linked to a 30% lower risk of cognitive impairment. The most overlooked nutritional strategy is adequate hydration. Even 2% dehydration impairs attention, memory, and cognitive performance. For maximum brain benefit, nutritionists recommend consuming at least 6 different colored fruits and vegetables daily to provide the wide spectrum of phytonutrients your brain needs for optimal function and protection against neurodegenerative diseases. 4. Strategic supplementation. While whole foods should form the foundation of brain nutrition, certain supplements show promising cognitive enhancement effects. Bacopa monieri, an herb used in Ayurvedic medicine, has been shown to improve memory formation and reduce anxiety. Lion's mane mushroom stimulates neurogrowth factor production, supporting brain plasticity. What makes smart supplementation powerful is combining compounds that work synergistically, like pairing L-theanine with caffeine for focused attention without jitters. The science of nootropics, cognitive enhancers, is advancing rapidly, with clinical trials showing significant benefits for both healthy individuals and those with cognitive decline. However, quality matters tremendously. Third-party tested supplements from reputable manufacturers are essential. 3. Digital detox and attention training. Our technology-saturated world has created an epidemic of fractured attention, with the average person checking their phone 96 times daily. This constant switching between tasks weakens the brain's attention networks while strengthening distraction pathways. Scheduled digital detoxes reverse this damage, allowing attention circuits to recover and strengthen. The most effective approach combines tech-free periods with active attention training, like reading physical books without interruption for progressively longer sessions. Neuroscience research shows that people who engage in regular deep focus work develop stronger connections in the prefrontal cortex, enhancing not only concentration but also critical thinking skills. Many top executives now schedule airplane mode mornings, where devices are silenced for their most important cognitive work. 2. Cognitive bias training. Our brains are hardwired with dozens of cognitive biases, systematic errors in thinking that can sabotage decision-making and learning. By studying and recognizing these patterns, you can catch your brain's automatic shortcuts before they lead you astray. Confirmation bias, where we favor information supporting our existing beliefs, is particularly limiting for growth. Regular practice identifying these biases creates metacognition, thinking about your thinking, which neurological studies show activates unique brain regions associated with higher-order cognition. The most successful people regularly question their own assumptions and deliberately seek evidence that contradicts their hypotheses. This mental flexibility correlates strongly with leadership effectiveness and innovation capacity across fields. 1. Visualization and mental rehearsal. The most powerful brain training technique leverages the fact that your brain cannot fully distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you mentally rehearse an activity with intense detail, you activate the same neural networks used during actual performance. Olympic athletes have used this technique for decades, but neuroscience now confirms its effectiveness for all types of performance. The key distinction between casual daydreaming and effective visualization is activation of multiple sensory pathways, mentally seeing, feeling, hearing, and even smelling the experience. Regular practitioners develop enhanced neural efficiency, performing complex tasks with less brain energy expenditure. Perhaps most importantly, visualization strengthens the critical connection between your conscious intentions and unconscious execution systems, creating what performers call flow state, where peak performance feels effortless. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.